Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So yesterday, being Wednesday, I visited Oka and I decided to explore the Unizik Temp sites down to Isuaniocha road to show you guys what is currently looking like. It's just a glimpse of it, not a full tour. So sit and relax, watch the video. It's a short one. So guys, I started this filming just after the 10 site junction, which is the Unizik junction. So before you get to, where is it called, maybe Abakaliki street or something, that is where I started this filming from. Like I said earlier, it's not a full tour, it's just a glimpse of the road, just to show you what the road is currently looking like. So this Unizik site down to Isuaniocha was dualized, not all, like the one from Temp site to somewhere around the Ebuka, I'm forgetting what that place is called. Ebuka was dualized. Before it was a single lane. Then the current government of Anambra State decided to dualize the route, so they dualize it down to that Ebuka axis. But starting from after that opener heading to Isuaniocha is not dualized, it's just a single lane, but the road was reconstructed somehow. So I'm giving you guys the latest updates from that particular road. Honestly, when I arrived here, I wanted to do a food tour, but something happened and I was unable to do it because of what I cannot see here do. So this is it. Mainly touring this road, you can see for yourself how the road is looking so unkept, even though that this place is capital city. It's a capital city, but the road is so unkept. It's just looking like everywhere sand has covered almost everywhere on the road. And that's particular day I toured this road. I think it rained last night, then I toured it on Wednesday, and you can see how everywhere is looking like. It's not that it's very very dirty, but the road, being the capital city, I don't expect to find sand on top of the road. At least they should start sweeping even from the capital city to keep it clean, then spread to other axes. Capital city or capital city does not end around government house. The only road I can tell you that is very clean, not very clean, but at least when you are looking at it, this road is being taken care of. It's only that what is it called, road that is heading to, should I say, the Isuaniocha Boulevard, then down to the 3 Arm Zone. Even some of the access route to that Isuaniocha Boulevard are not being kept as clean as the one going towards the the newly built government house. Honestly, it's, I don't know the reason why they are just leaving every route this way in Anambra State. And again, I keep saying it, the should I say, the project is a nice one, dualizing the route, creating more space for motorists, you understand, and giving the city more beautification. But my major concern is after bringing such good idea, I think what should be following up is making it durable, not bringing a beautiful idea and build something that will just last only 4 years, and then next government will come in again and start again to reconstruct those roads. I think it doesn't make sense to me. I think things should be properly done. At least that is my major concern. Our road should be kept clean. Let's start sweeping road. Honestly, this is becoming a kind of tradition that every road in Anambra State is covered with red sand or sand. I don't understand. Honestly, the thing is looking somehow, and it's contributing to the to the damaging of the road. Honestly, it's not looking nice at all. It's not looking nice. So guys, it's a short clip, and this is where I think I will be ending the video. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel. Do click on the like button and also share the video. If you have your own contribution, give us via the comment section. Don't just watch the video and leave. Try to give us your comment, but please don't give us negative comments. Even if you want to correct us on something, correct us politely, no insult, please, to avoid removing somebody's comment. Thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Until we meet again in our next update. Bye.